Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your website name in Wix. This is going to be a full guide on how to do it in 2020. So first off, I would like to mention I'll have a full playlist on Wix. So if you need any help on Wix, I have tons of videos showing you guys how to do things, and the playlist will be linked in the description as well as in the comments. But anyways, to change the name on your website, you just want to go to the Wix homepage here, and all you have to do is click on one of these options here at the top. And what that'll do is it'll bring you over to a new list of stuff right here. And you'll see under settings, it says overview. So we just want to go over to overview. And then you'll see your site name right here. You can just go over to the side and click on rename. And then here you'll be able to change your site's name. So you just go ahead and change it to whatever you would like to. And then it will just go click save, and then you'll be all good to go. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to change your website name on Wix. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.